Look at these DIY garage cabinets, aren't they amazing? So today, we are going to teach you how to build the same kind of cabinets. We'll start with the materials you'll need and finish with the step-by-step process of assembling everything. Let's get started. We'll begin with the materials you need. You'll need plywood, screws, a drill, a level, a tape measure, sawhorses, a circular saw, safety glasses, a pencil, hinges, cabinet knobs, and a stud finder. Opt for high-quality plywood as it is more durable and will hold up better in a garage environment. Step number 2, plan your cabinets. Measure your garage and decide where and how big you want your cabinets to be. Keep in mind, it's best to mount the cabinets on a wall stud for added stability. Consider what you plan to store in the cabinets and ensure the dimensions fit these items. Step number 3, cut your plywood. Use your circular saw and cut your plywood to the desired lengths for the sides, bottom, top, back, and doors of your cabinet. Remember to wear safety glasses when cutting wood. No need to be in a rush here. Make sure your cuts are precise to ensure a well-fitted cabinet. Step number 4, assemble the cabinet. Drill pilot holes to prevent the wood from splitting, then use screws to join the sides, top, and bottom. Attach the back to the assembled pieces. Use a carpenter's square to ensure your cabinet is perfectly square before securing it with screws. Step number 5, attach the doors. Using your drill, attach the hinges to the doors and then to the cabinet frame. Make sure they are level and they swing freely. You might find it easier to have someone help you hold the doors in place while you attach the hinges. Step number 6, install the cabinet. Use a stud finder to locate the studs in your garage wall. Drill holes into the wall and the cabinet, then secure the cabinet to the wall using screws. Use a level to ensure everything is straight. Make sure to use heavy-duty screws or brackets to support the weight of the cabinet and its contents. Last step, add the finishing touches. Install cabinet knobs on the doors for easy opening. Depending on your preference, you may also choose to paint or stain your cabinet, add shelf liners, or paint the inside of your cabinet for an added touch and to protect your wood. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have functional, well-built cabinets in your garage in no time. Okay, now that you have cabinets installed in your garage, that's just the first step toward using it to its full capacity. We've put together another video with more than 20 easy hacks that you need to know and apply to revamp your garage and maximize your storage space. Make sure that you don't miss out on any important tips. Watch that video now and get started.